when you understand the again reason behind, then it is not very much. But if you take the both things, product as well as the process, that will be more better. We all used to, let us exercise it again. Why we used to perspire? Hypothalamus, thermal balance, na?
Cool down.
To cool down the process, to maintain the cooling of the body. And which part of our body demands more cooling, will perspire more? Feet, head, face, back, scalp, right? So it means that part is working under stress more than the other parts, right? In the night, we used to perspire in silicia and calcareas during night in the scalp. तो आप पूछना उनसे, question them, कि is they are able to take their deep sleep or not? You will find their sleep will not be deep. It means their mind is working day and night, right? So any organ of our body, when it works more hard and body has to cool down it for, ये है हमारा active principle. We used to divide the things into two parts, reactive state and subdued state. This is a reactive state of our system to cool down. But when you find silicia or calcarea with the icy coldness of the hands, calcarea falls, these are the same states but subdued. Subdued. You got the point? Subdued and reactive, no? So at first part we used to fight. When after fighting long time or for a certain period of time your system could not able to fight back, it will give up. The same thing will switch on to the other side. Temperature high, temperature low. Everything is in two. We had talked about two. दो का बात किया ना? Everything is in two. Either high, either low. So things will start getting very cold, very chilly, very slimy when your system is not able to cope up with it. It has just given up, give up state. So now the thing is perspiration with offensiveness. Louis say right here, what she writes here? Offensive perspiration is, what is the purpose of offensive perspiration?
To keep the person away.
To repel the person. Now just take this thing to this child. Now he's not. What the other child was doing? Though she was mischievous, though she want to play, but she is also repelling the peoples. Not come near to me. So what is the purpose of this thing? They are frightening from the peoples. अब लेके आइए calcarea को और silicia को. You got the point? They are fearful from an inner core. They does not want peoples near them. That's why they perspiring more, so struggling hard.
To keep them away.
हाँ.
Yes.
The body's defense is to
Keep them away. To keep them. No, you got the point. Total relationship, na?
That is how the connection is.
Yeah.
Mind has developed the body
हाँ.
to keep the people away.
Keep the people away.
If the stool and urine are offensive,
Then you are marking your territory very hardly, very strongly. Not come near to me. Every offensiveness is not come near to me because I am afraid of you. Certain children used to sit in the room and you will find whole the room is filled with a foul smell. Even body is not perspiring much, but body is having some kind of bad odor. So all these bad odors from mouth, nose, anywhere are out of bacterial growths. As we had talked earlier, your perspiration has something that your body is not able to, you can say, evaporate it or oxygenate it. Then deliberately we call bacteria with some other purpose, repelling the peoples. So they are serving our own purpose, na?
Yes.
They are serving our own purpose. Or explanatory or understandable हो जाएगा. What you are knowing, things will be more deep rooted and more explainable now.